Disclaimer. The content provided in this video is for educational purposes only. Trading in stocks, commodities, and financial markets involves substantial risk of loss. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Trade responsibly.
Welcome back to Trade Success. Today we are going to learn a very important topic in Amibroker. Basically, many of you asked me how to add custom indicators. So today I will show you exactly how to do that step by step. It's very simple. Every trader needs this because default indicators are sometimes not enough. So let's start the video quickly. So first of all, what are indicators? Basically, they are tools like RSI, MACD or moving averages that helps us see trends. In Amibroker, you get many built-in indicators already, but sometimes you want something special, right? So like your own strategy rules, custom buy sell signals or custom colors. That is where custom indicators come into picture. Simple thing is custom indicators give you an extra edge in the market. Let me show you how both works. You will understand easily. Now let us look at my screen here. Basically, this is your Amibroker platform, very neat and clean. To add a built-in indicator, we just go to the charts window on the left side. See here, we have MACD, RSI, moving averages, everything. You just need to double click on RSI and it's on your screen. Or you can just drag and drop it. So don't worry about settings right now. We can change them later. So this is how you add default ones. Now let's see how to make your own custom one. To make a custom indicator, we use something called AFL, which is Amibroker formula language. Basically, it is just a simple code. Let's open formula editor from the menu. Now we will write a small code to plot a simple moving average. Don't worry, I will write. See, this is so simple. We can also add parameters, so you can change the length of moving average directly from the chart settings. So that's it. Our custom code is ready. Now let us save this file and apply it to our main chart. Once you click on apply, you can see the red line on your screen. But what if you want a thick line or a blue color instead? Simple thing is, we just right click on the chart and go to parameters. From here you can change the color to green or blue very easily. You can even change the line style to dashed or dotted. You don't need to change the code every time for this. So styling is very fast and easy in Amibroker. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Basically, we saw how to add default indicators like RSI. Then we wrote our own custom AFL code for a custom moving average. Simple thing is, now you can customize any indicator you want. In our next video, we will learn how to use these indicators for backtesting our trading strategies. So make sure don't miss that one. Don't leave without hitting the subscribe button. Okay. Guys, like this video if it helped you, and that's it for today. See you.